So a year from now.
Oh, yeah, for now. That's. I think I answered this question last year as well.
It's a challenging question.
It's challenging.
My prediction last year was multimodal, and I was very pleased to see.
Yeah, very good. Are we going to be looking at your movie by then?
They take a bit longer than a year to do, but maybe I'll have a trailer with me. I don't know.
So a year from now, we will be talking about the fact that we are about to actually send humans at the end of next year to the moon again. And so that'll be the first time for humans to go back, at least in our Artemis Accords, all of the folks that are on the team for the Artemis Accords to be able to go back. But then we're also going to be talking about some additional advancements that have been made and being able to develop constellations of missions that can integrate in a way that help us have a holistic picture of things.
I hope we'll be talking about the bills that we got passed in the US that prohibit weaponization and that establish the model for responsible robotics use.
I think what we'll be talking about then is like a lot of the stuff that I'm working on now is theoretical, right? It's a case of we have a thesis that we think will work, but 12 months from now, we'll have had some time to test that thesis. We already have a couple of movies in production at the studio. I can't talk about what the specifics of them are yet, but they have some household names in them, some folks that you will have heard about. Hopefully in 12 months' time, I'll be looking back and saying, well, this movie with X, we were able to figure this out and that succeeded, but we were wrong about this and we've learned and we're moving on and continuing to improve the model.
So a year from now, are we still going to be talking about generative AI and large language models?
I think to a certain extent, yes. I mean, and other things as well. I think LLMs are the beginning of something that is very big. We talk about AI agents, large action models, knowledge graphs, and I think what I see is that there is a nascent sort of AI technology ecosystem that is being built, and probably it's about how to combine all these different things in a way that delivers value to the company, depending on what are the use cases or the problems that you're trying to solve.
As the industry matures, as the establishment of trust and regulations become more and more stronger, I think we can, like I said, I can still share some practical examples, but I am not doing that yet. But next year we can definitely talk about some more practical examples of how we were able to add value to an end customer, and how we were able to also kind of increase some of the pricing we have on our existing products because we are adding that value.
This year, I think the thing that I'm seeing a lot of people speak about and what we're spending a lot of time on is multi-agent systems. Being able to have specialized AIs that are often very good at a single project or a single task that you then tie together with an LLM or something like that to give you a human face or a natural language interface to that model. And so, yeah, multi-agent systems. Hopefully next year,
we'll check in with you next year.
We can check in and we'll see if I get it right again.
Thank you so much. This is Chuck Martin at the AI Summit London.